So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the candlestick colors here on at BTCC. So for example, if I were to go to the Discover page right here and just select a random future, the candlesticks in my case on the graph here are green and red. If you wanted to change the colors, it's pretty simple. Go to the bottom left, select home, then go to the top left and select the three horizontal lines. Then go to the top right and select the settings or the gear icon. And then four options down where it says candlestick colors, select that. Now for me, you can go ahead and change this to classic colors to classic theme. So for example, so I can go ahead and do that. So if I were to go back here, which I will do, go to Discover, select this right here. The color of the candlesticks now are red and blue. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit the candlestick colors here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.